Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is called tabethgiselle. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for joining. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning to this brand new video. Thanks so much for your support. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrushed Flawless Foundation. So this is actually a new formula from their original foundation that they used to have. I actually did a review on the old formula 2 years ago, so if you want to watch more of that video, definitely watch that. I definitely loved the coverage. It was a full coverage, but the only problem that I've had with that foundation is that it has a lot of shine to it, and no matter how much powder you put on it, it has this really not so great greasy finish to it as the day goes by. So I'm really hoping that this formula is going to be way more different and better than the last one. But I'm just going to talk through this new foundation and why it is different to the last one, and then I'm going to try it on and show you guys how it looks. This is what the packaging looks like, similar to the old foundation, old formula foundation. This time I have got this in the shade 10 neutral. Last time I got it in 10 warm child, I think that's how you pronounce it, and it was a little bit orangey. That's how I found it to be like ever since buying it. It just settles on the skin a little bit orangey, and then it just starts to get very shiny. So I'm really hoping that they have fixed that problem and that this one is going to be a good review and I'm going to love it. But this is what the packaging looks like. It is gorgeous, very Charlotte Tilbury, very timeless and very sophisticated. So I'm going to talk through the claims now, and then we're going to go straight into testing it out. So this new foundation formula claims that it is a reformulated airbrushed flawless foundation, offering weightless 24-hour full coverage with a 3D matte airbrushed finish, which is amazing, featuring a new elastomer, I think that's how you pronounce it, gel technology for a second skin, which is gorgeous. So second skin feel, improved hydration. It comes in 44 shades and it is in a new packaging altogether. And it is a waterproof, sweat-proof, blurring imperfections like pores and fine lines, and updated packaging to make it a bit more modern. So I'm really excited to try it. It says that people with normal to oily skin types who want a matte and poreless finish will definitely love this foundation, and I am definitely one of them because I like my foundation to be matte, but I don't like it to look too drying. So the fact that it has this inbuilt Phyto Youth essence to give you that hydration but still giving you that matte sort of finish without looking dry, that seems good to me. So let's try it out and see what it looks like. So I'm going to start off by applying my primer. I'm just using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and this just helps to make your makeup and foundation sit well. I really like the consistency so far because it doesn't feel too runny. It feels quite nice and thick. I don't know why this foundation looks quite light on the screen, because in person it doesn't look as bad to how it actually looks on here. But I like the consistency. I really like that it doesn't feel runny. It is very, very thick, which is really good. I'm just going to put it halfway so you guys can see the difference between this is what we were looking like before, this is what we're looking like with the foundation on. Oh, I really like how this foundation feels. It really feels like you have applied powder and you've set your foundation with powder at the same time as well as like applying it. And look at the coverage. Like, this is my before, this is my after. That coverage is like full coverage. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this so much. This is amazing. And there's no filter on my face. This is just how the foundation is sitting. Wow, that is amazing. Before, you can see all my little imperfections. That is amazing, guys. The formula is so good. It feels like I've set my foundation with powder, and I've also applied concealer as well. And the mattifying is not like a drying mattifying. It's not a cakey. It's just everything has sat so nicely on my skin. It is not creasing at all. Like, usually when I apply foundation, I start to crease around my laugh lines like instantly, and I can't see any creases at all in this foundation. Wow, that is amazing. I am going to apply foundation onto this side, and then we're going to come back and wrap up the video. I actually applied 4 pumps on this side, but I've actually now used 2 because I actually feel like a little goes a long way with this foundation. The only thing is that this neutral is coming out quite a bit light on the screen, but it actually feels like and looks like the right shade for me. I don't know what you guys think, but I actually think that this is the right shade for me, because I think the warm doesn't do too well for my skin, the warm undertones, whereas the neutral, I feel like, don't add a color to my skin tone, if that makes sense. Like, it doesn't change my undertones too much. I don't know if that makes sense, guys, but I think I like this neutral better than like a warm one, or I think the cool one can be too off. This actually feels like the best shade for me. I just don't know why my camera is picking it up as very light, but this is actually the perfect shade. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So amazing, guys. Like, there is no lines whatsoever. There's no creases. I feel like I don't even need to put any powder at all on this foundation, because it literally looks like as if I've set my makeup with powder, and it feels like my second skin. Happy, guys. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then we're gonna wrap this video up. Guys, this is the finished look of my makeup. I honestly love it. I feel stunning. It's all down to this foundation here. It is amazing. I feel like my skin looks like it's airbrushed. I look so stunning, and it has not been creasing at all. Even when I applied the concealer, I didn't have to like quickly work in the powder like I always have to. Like, I actually took some time to blend my concealer, apply my powder underneath my concealer, and I honestly feel like you could actually get away with not putting any powder at all with this foundation here, because it is stunning. Whatever they have formulated and put into this, they have just done like the Lord's work. This is amazing, and I'm so in love. Like, I've been applying my makeup on for the past few weeks and not been liking it at all, and it's so nice to finally have a foundation once again that I can just get all of that full coverage, beauty, just everything that I'm looking for in a bottle, in one bottle. It's just all in here. It doesn't crease, it doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look dry. It's full coverage, but it still has hydration. I have never come across anything like this ever. Usually when foundations are luminous, they are oily, or sometimes they just crease a lot, despite all the blending, all the powders that you can put on. But this actually feels stunning. Tomorrow I'm actually going to wear it for the full day, so I will actually be able to see how it's like from morning to evening and see how it settles. But I love the results, and I don't have any filter on. This is my makeup and it looks stunning. So definitely add this into your beauty bag. Buy it now. It is worth it. You guys have seen what it looks like, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really like doing these reviews, especially when a product is this stunning. It just makes it so interesting and so worthwhile. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share the video, and also please subscribe. If you're watching, please subscribe. Please engage with my content. It really helps me to do more content like this for you guys. So please engage, and thanks so much for watching. I'll leave everything about the product and where to buy it in the description box below, so definitely check that out. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.